How's it, everybody? Money Shot here, and welcome again to Hawaii Crap Shooters. In this video, I'd like to extend a challenge to all of you dice controllers in the craps world. It'll truly test your accuracy, your toss, and keeping the dice together. It's called the Hawaii 5-0 Bucket Challenge. Check it out. So this challenge here, and what I'm challenging all of you, is to get 5 pairs of dice and be able to throw it successfully in a bucket. And if you can get all 5 pairs in the bucket consecutively and on an uncut video, please send me your video to hawaiicrapshooters@gmail.com and I'll post your video on my channel. So here's me attempting the Hawaii 5-0 Bucket Challenge. So if you're wondering what type of container I used in that video, here it is. I got this from Amazon. It's a cookie jar and it's 4 inches wide, like your landing zone, and it has a 45-degree angle for you to throw in your dice. This is perfect. You don't want to have a straight up container like this because your angle is wrong. The 45-degree angle here gives you a true angle for you to hit your landing spot. So these are pretty cheap, 15 bucks for 2. I have my affiliate link in the description, so please help support my channel by using that link. But you can purchase yours on Amazon. You can use this for the Hawaii 5-0 Bucket Challenge, but most importantly, using this container to help you practice hitting your landing zones at home. So here's all you have to do is set up your 5 pairs of dice, set up your bucket at the other end of the table in your landing zone, and get all 5 dice into the bucket. Make sure you get that on video and send that to me at hawaiicrapshooters@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to post that on my next video and share with everyone that you are one of the winners of the Hawaii Crap Shooters Hawaii 5-0 Bucket Challenge. I know you guys can do it. Thank you for watching Hawaii Crap Shooters, and please help my channel by smashing that like button, leave a comment, and I'll be sure to reply back to you. Please share this video, and most importantly, please subscribe. Aloha.